Welcome to English Chat Flow.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Chat Flow. I'm Melissa, and I'm very happy that you are joining us today.
And I'm Mark. It's always a pleasure to spend some time with you and practice English together through real conversations.
Today, we have a topic that many football fans have talked about for years.
Yes, we are going to discuss the idea of Cristiano Ronaldo leaving the football world and what that could mean for fans, players, and the sport itself.
This is a B1 to B2 level conversation, so we will use clear and natural English with some useful vocabulary.
You don't need to understand every word perfectly. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
Before we start, think about this question. What is your strongest memory of Cristiano Ronaldo?
Maybe it is a famous goal, an important match, or a celebration that you remember clearly.
For many people, Ronaldo has been part of football for a very long time.
Yes, some fans have watched him since they were children, and now they are adults.
That is why the idea of him leaving football feels emotional for many people.
Even if retirement is a normal part of every athlete's career, it can still feel surprising when it happens to a legendary player.
Let's begin with a simple question, Mark. What comes to mind when you hear the name Cristiano Ronaldo?
The first word that comes to my mind is discipline.
Discipline.
Yes, of course he is famous for goals and trophies, but I think his discipline is one of the main reasons for his success.
I agree. Many players are talented, but not everyone works as consistently as he does.
Exactly. Reports about his training habits, fitness routines, and dedication have become almost legendary.
Another thing I think about is his longevity.
That's a great word. Longevity means having a long career or lasting for a long time.
Ronaldo has played at the highest level for many years, which is not easy in professional football.
Football is physically demanding. Players run, jump, sprint, and compete constantly.
So when a player stays near the top for such a long time, it becomes something special.
Absolutely.
Now, let's talk about the phrase, leaving the football world. What does that actually mean?
In this conversation, we are mainly talking about retirement from professional football.
So not just changing clubs or moving to another country.
Right. We mean the moment when he stops playing competitive professional matches.
Some people find it hard to imagine football without him.
I understand that feeling. For nearly 2 decades, he has been one of the biggest names in the sport.
And he has played for several famous clubs during his career.
Yes, and each period of his career created different memories for different fans.
Let's think about the emotional side. Why do fans become attached to players like Ronaldo?
I think it is because sports are connected to personal memories.
Can you explain that?
Sure. A person might remember watching a Ronaldo match with family members, friends, or classmates.
So the player becomes connected to important moments in life.
Exactly. When the player retires, people sometimes feel that a part of their own past is ending too.
That is a very interesting point.
Sports are not only about results, they are also about memories, emotions, and experiences.
Another question, Mark. Do you think younger players see Ronaldo as an inspiration?
Definitely. Many young players have said that they admire his work ethic and determination.
Work ethic means the attitude and effort a person brings to their work.
Yes. Even people who support different teams often respect his commitment to improvement.
So if he eventually leaves professional football, his influence may continue.
I believe so. A player can stop playing, but the example he sets can remain for many years.
That reminds me of another important idea. Great athletes often have 2 careers.
What do you mean by 2 careers?
First, the playing career. Second, the legacy that continues after retirement.
Ah, yes, their achievements, records, and influence continue even when they are no longer on the field.
And Ronaldo has broken many records during his career.
Which means people will keep talking about him long after he stops playing.
So maybe the real question is not whether people will remember him.
The real question is how football will feel when one of its most famous players is no longer competing every week.
Exactly. And that is what we are going to explore more deeply as we continue this conversation. So, Mark, let's continue our discussion and imagine that Cristiano Ronaldo has officially announced his retirement from professional football.
That would be a huge moment in sports news. Fans, journalists, and former players would be talking about it everywhere.
I think social media would become very emotional.
Definitely. People would share old goals, famous celebrations, and personal memories of watching him play.
Some fans might feel sad, while others might feel grateful for everything he achieved.
Yes, because retirement is not only an ending, it is also a chance to look back at an extraordinary career.
Let's talk about that word, extraordinary. It means very unusual or impressive.
And I think it fits Ronaldo's career very well.
One thing that makes his career extraordinary is the number of different challenges he accepted.
Yes, he played in different leagues, different countries, and under different coaches.
Every move brought new expectations and new pressure.
Yet he continued to score goals and compete at a high level.
That adaptability is another important quality.
Good word. Adaptability means the ability to change and succeed in new situations.
Many players are successful in one environment, but adapting to several different environments is much harder.
Exactly.
Now let me ask you something. If Ronaldo retires, what do you think fans will miss the most?
That's difficult because there are many answers. Some will miss his goals.
Others might miss his competitive spirit.
Yes, even people who were not his biggest supporters often enjoyed watching his determination.
Competitive spirit means the strong desire to win and perform well.
And Ronaldo showed that spirit in many important matches.
I think fans will also miss the excitement of wondering what he might do next.
That's true. Great players create a sense of anticipation.
Anticipation means the feeling of expecting something exciting or important.
When Ronaldo was on the field, many people expected a special moment at any time.
Another interesting question is how younger generations will learn about him.
They will probably watch highlights, documentaries, and interviews.
But watching highlights is different from experiencing the matches live.
Very different. When you watch live, you feel the tension, the noise of the crowd, and the uncertainty.
You don't know if a goal is coming.
Exactly. That uncertainty is part of the excitement of football.
Let's imagine a conversation between a future football fan and someone who watched Ronaldo during his career.
The younger fan might ask, was he really that good?
And the older fan might say, you had to watch him regularly to understand the impact he had.
Because impact is not only about statistics.
Yes, it is also about influence, confidence, and the way opponents reacted to him.
Many defenders knew they had to be extremely careful when he had the ball.
Now, I want to ask something more personal. Do you remember the first time you watched Ronaldo play?
I remember seeing him as a young player with incredible speed and skill.
What impressed you the most?
His confidence. Even at a young age, he played as if he believed he could become one of the best in the world.
That confidence can be inspiring for people outside football, too.
Absolutely. Whether someone is learning a language, starting a business, or studying for an exam, confidence and hard work are valuable lessons.
So maybe one reason Ronaldo became so famous is that people saw more than just a football player.
I think so. They saw ambition, discipline, and persistence.
Persistence means continuing to work toward a goal even when it is difficult.
And persistence is a quality that many successful people share.
If we look at the bigger picture, every generation of football has players who define an era.
Yes, and Ronaldo is certainly one of the players who defined his era.
When historians talk about football in the early 21st century, his name will always be included.
Along with discussions about records, rivalries, championships, and memorable performances.
Speaking of rivalries, many football fans enjoyed the competition between Ronaldo and other great players.
Those rivalries pushed the sport to an incredible level.
Fans debated, compared statistics, and followed every major match.
And that debate became part of football culture around the world.
So when Ronaldo eventually leaves professional football, it will not only mark the retirement of one player.
It will also mark the end of a remarkable chapter in modern football history.
And that is why so many people continue to talk about what his departure could mean for the football world. As we continue this discussion, Mark, I think many listeners are asking the same question. What happens after a player like Cristiano Ronaldo retires?
That is a great question. Retirement does not mean disappearing. Many famous athletes remain active in different ways.
They might become coaches, club owners, ambassadors, or business leaders.
Exactly. And because Ronaldo is such a global figure, he will probably continue to have a strong presence even after his playing career ends.
Let's talk about the word presence. In this context, it means the influence or visibility a person has.
Yes, even without playing matches every week, he could still influence football and many other areas.
Another interesting idea is legacy.
Legacy is what remains after someone's career is finished.
For Ronaldo, that legacy includes goals, trophies, records, and millions of fans around the world.
It also includes the example he gave about hard work and self-improvement. Many young players may continue to study his training habits for years.
And many people who are not football players may still find motivation in his story.
Let me ask you something, Mark. Do you think football will feel different after Ronaldo leaves?
Yes, I think it will feel different, but football will continue to evolve.
Evolve means to change and develop over time.
Every generation has new stars, new styles of play, and new stories.
So the sport keeps moving forward.
Exactly. But some players become symbols of their generation, and Ronaldo is certainly one of them.
I think many fans will remember where they were when they watched his most famous matches.
Those memories become part of a fan's personal history.
Another thing that stands out is his consistency.
Yes, staying at a high level for so many years is incredibly difficult. Injuries, pressure, competition, and expectations can affect any athlete.
Yet he managed to remain one of the biggest names in football for a very long time.
That is why people often use words like dedication and professionalism when talking about him.
Professionalism means behaving in a serious and responsible way in your work.
And many coaches have praised his professionalism throughout his career.
Now, let's imagine that a young English learner is listening to this podcast and is not a football expert.
Good idea. What can that listener learn from this conversation?
They can learn useful vocabulary, of course, but they can also learn about qualities that are valuable in any field.
Such as discipline, persistence, adaptability, and confidence.
Exactly. Whether you are learning English, studying at university, or working in a company, those qualities can help you improve.
So this conversation is not only about football.
It is also about personal growth and long-term effort.
Before we finish, let's review a few useful words from today's episode.
The first word is longevity. Longevity means having a long career or lasting for a long time.
Example, Ronaldo's longevity in professional football is impressive.
The second word is adaptability. It means the ability to succeed in new situations.
Example, moving between different leagues showed his adaptability.
Another important word is legacy.
Legacy is what remains after a person's career or life.
Example, his legacy will continue to inspire future generations.
We also used the word anticipation.
Anticipation is the feeling of expecting something exciting.
Example, fans felt anticipation whenever he approached the goal.
And finally, professionalism.
Professionalism means acting in a responsible and serious way in your work.
Example, his professionalism earned respect from teammates and coaches.
Now, here is a simple practice question for our listeners.
Which quality do you admire most in Cristiano Ronaldo? Discipline, confidence, persistence, or professionalism?
You can think about your answer or write it in the comments.
Writing a short comment is a great way to practice English.
You could write, I'm your name from your country, and the quality I admire most is...
We always enjoy reading your messages and learning about your opinions.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. Whether you are a football fan or simply an English learner, we hope this conversation helped you practice listening and learn something new.
Remember, great achievements usually come from small efforts repeated over time.
And that's a lesson that goes far beyond football.
Take care, keep practicing your English, and keep moving toward your goals.
See you in the next episode of English Chat Flow.